So feel free lang guys to use our referral code, okay, or yung invitation code natin na nakikita nyo sa screen. That's 5E6-376, okay. Ayan, ito pa pala guys, you can request payment when you have at least $10 available in your earnings. Okay, so paano yan? Pagka-clinic natin uli yung points natin dito sa upper left hand, pag clinic nyo yung send, ito yung magiging error. Okay, your profile is unverified. In order to send points, you must verify your profile. Okay, so na-research na natin yan guys, hindi pa yan available. Bakit? Kasi kapag binasa yung maigi dito, nung nakapag-complete ako ng registration guys, nasa phase 2 yung ano natin account. So up points, collect points, and received a 50% bonus when converting to crypto before the phase ends. Okay? So habang maaga pa, dapat makapag-register na kayo dito kasi baka yung phase 3 onwards, medyo liliit na yung mga bonuses. Okay? So nakikita kasi natin dito sa next part, phase 3 app crypto wallet. Okay? So hindi ka makapag-send, hindi mo ma-verify yung account kasi in the works pa or in progress pa sa Buzzer cryptocurrency project team yung pag-establish in the background ng system nila sa pag-develop ng app crypto wallet. Okay? So hintayin niyo lang 'yan February 1. Ang maganda naman kasi dito sa ano nila, plano nila, meron silang timeline. So hindi tayo nanguhula. So by February 1, 2026 dapat may ma-observe natin to na meron na tong update sa app crypto wallet dito sa Buzzer. And then phase 4, may pre-sale sila sa selected exchanges siguro to, March 1, 2026, and then phase 5, centralized exchange listing. So June 1, 2026 natin yan na pwedeng i-expect na malilist sa mga centralized exchanges, okay? So I'll make sure na I'll find time to give updates about the Buzzer cryptocurrency project, okay? And then in terms of price action, meron na kagad siyang estimated value, okay? In the works pa lang siya, pero meron na silang overview and insights na pwede nating basahin dito. Okay? So, at the moment, yung pinapakita dito sa app, nasa 1.28 Philippine peso yung price ng isang Buzzer coin. Okay? Pero, sabi nga nila dito, nag-uumpisa pa lang sila, pero at least may idea na tayo sa price action ng Buzzer coin. Kung sakali na, kasi pwede natin itong i-compare sa price niya ngayon, by the time na malist siya sa mga exchanges anytime next year, okay? Ayan guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Yung pag-uusapan natin today or yung i-share ko ngayon sa video natin is yung about Buzzer coin, okay? Or Buzzer, okay? To set your expectation, isa tong bagong cryptocurrency project na intertwined or related sa sports niche, okay? So feel free lang guys to use our referral code, okay, or yung invitation code natin na nakikita nyo sa screen. That's 5E6-376, okay? Or you can simply scan itong QR code na nakikita ninyo sa screen, and ilalagay rin natin yung invitation code or yung invitation link sa description ng ating YouTube video, ng ating Facebook page, and ng ating TikTok accounts, okay? So, to set your expectation guys muna, ipapakita ko yung account ko, okay? So, ito yung view ng account ko pagkatapos kong makumpleto yung setup, okay? Social media platform to guys, para siyang Instagram, and then yung pinaka-niche and content niya about sports, okay? Pero sa observation ko guys, sa mga nakikita ko dito, yung ibang mga users, hindi lang sports related yung pinopost nila. Kahit mga non-related sports content, kagaya ng mga TikTok videos, yung mga selfies, pwede pa rin i-upload dito, okay? Pero based sa research ko guys, much better or mas makakabuti kung sports, yung sports related na mga videos and photos yung i-upload natin dito kasi nga ito yung focus ng cryptocurrency project. So habang ina-explain ko yung mga details sa video na to, may intindihan yung ibig kong sabihin. So sa total balance natin, so far meron tayong 102 points. Total yan ng $1.94 USD. So makikita nyo rin dito sa pag-click natin tong yung more information, Buzzer coins. Buzzer points will serve as a temporary representation of Buzzer coin. Okay? Once our cryptocurrency is fully launched, each Buzzer point will be converted into one Buzzer coin. So, the more na mas maaga tayo and nakapag-upload tayo, nakapag-engage tayo dito sa social media platform na to, the more na makakaipon tayo ng buzzer coin at an early pace habang hindi pa siya nalo-launch or nalilist sa mga centralized exchanges, okay? So, kapag ka nauna tayo dito, kung available na siyang ilist sa exchange, option natin yun kung gusto natin siyang i-hold long term pa, or pwede na tayong mag-sell ng portion ng mga naipon nating points, okay? Convert that into buzzer cryptocurrency and then take profit, okay? So yun yung pwede, yun yung parang magiging map ng mga steps na pwede nating gawin. Pero long term to guys, hindi to basta-basta overnight, kaya tiyagaan rin talaga to, okay? So stick lang kayo dito sa video natin, and make sure na mag-subscribe kayo, and i-follow, i-like nyo yung mga videos natin, and feel free to comment. Sasagutin natin yung mga questions nyo to the best of our knowledge, okay? So at that time, all accumulate, yan guys tingnan nyo, at that time, all accumulated points will be transferred to users' wallets, ensuring a seamless transition to the new digital asset, okay? So click nyo lang yan, and then, kasi kapag ito yung account ko guys, actual na to, marami ding mga ways to earn dito. So pwede kayong mag-spend ng 60 seconds sa app, spend 5 minutes in the app, and yung referral option, okay, refer a friend. So kahit saan dito yung piliin niyo, nag-accumulate yan ng points contributing sa increase ng total balance, okay? On top pa yan ng pag-upload mo ng videos dito sa buzzer. So kapag ka-clinic nyo yung social, makikita niyo yung account natin. Meron na tayong na-post na 5 videos muna kasi tinest ko na siya. Marami akong mga na-discover rin habang nagke-create ako ng content dito, kahit 5 videos pa lang. And makikita nyo dito sa professional dashboard natin, nadadagdagan yung ano natin, yung post impressions, and then nag-accumulate talaga siya ng ng points. Ayan, for every 1k views, merong $0.1, and meron na tayong na-accumulate na $0.002, okay? And then sa referrals, meron rin yung corresponding na points, okay? Yung sa referral naman, yung sabi kasi dito sa earn, pag clinic natin uli yung earn, sa referral naman nakalagay dito earn 1 point per registration. Ayan. Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.